Very good afternoon to all of you. In last video we have discussed about adaptation in aquatic plants. Now in this video we are going to learn adaptation in desert plant. Now look in this picture. Try this activity. Take two potted plants. One is cactus and the other is leafy plant. You have to take two pot and inside them plants should be there. So one plant is cactus and the other plant is leafy plant. Now tie a plastic bags loosely around the leaves of these plants. What you have to do? You have to tie a plastic bags loosely around the leaves of these plants. Which plants? One is cactus and the other is leafy plant. And keep them in sunlight in the early morning. Now in the afternoon bring those pots into the classroom and observe them. What do you see? Has the same quantity of water collected in both bags? Now you can see in this picture that desert plants are either leafless or their leaves are like small needles or have been modified into thorns. As a result, they lose very little water by evaporation. This is because in desert there is very little water and therefore stem store a water for a very long time. The stem stores water and food, therefore they are fleshy. Now you can see that the stems are green, therefore they perform photosynthesis in the absence of leaves. Now you can see in this case leaves are absent on its stem. Instead of leaves, needles are present there. So therefore they do not perform photosynthesis. To perform photosynthesis, it is up to stem. So they prepare their food and they keep it and store the water inside it, and therefore they are fleshy. Now let's learn about roots of desert plant. Their roots penetrate deep into the soil and some roots spread away into the soil. in the search of water. As you know that there is very little water available in desert region, so to find water these roots are goes deep inside the soil. There is a thick layer of waxy substance on the stem of this plant too, so that this prevent the water from evaporation. Now this is what all about adaptation in desert plant. Tomorrow we will see adaptation in plants of snowy regions.